time. Take 5 car wash, Waukesha. Alright, everyone, we are at Waukesha Take 5 car wash. This is Waukesha Take 5. You remember, I did the baddest film the other day, and we need to wash. We have so much customers, so the other day with the other snowy day, it was an epic fail the other day. Now it's working with this one, but not in the the other one. Not that with Stylus Tick 5.
Yes.
That one is broken. It was an epic fail the other video, and we're gonna go through it. I will see you guys in just a moment.
Good in there.
Some of the wraps are just tilting a little bit. That was weird. There's a little bit of red on the mirror curtains, as you could see. This is a little bit crowded today.
She has to come all the way out.
Okay, the members are closed, and we are a member. Wah, wah. The elevator and the cashier are open.
Yeah, see the members. Why would they close the members lane?
I think they're out of business with that, and it broke down.
She's arguing with her. Now she's cussing at us, so you're gonna have to back up.
Karen.
You'll have to back up. She's a hot head in that car, so she's like crash hours.
What the delete?
Go into cashiers.
I don't know, you want to get out of it.
Okay. We have an argument and a Karen.